WTV, and I'm really excited because today we're at OMSI, the Science Museum, and we've got a special guest to show us around. Stephanie Anderson.
Hello, Carol.
How you doing?
Just fine.
Good. And I see you brought some friends with you.
Yes, this is Jake.
Hi, Jake.
And this is Akio.
Hi, Akio. How you guys doing?
And Carol, I want to welcome you here to OMSI.
Thanks.
Because today we're going to see some stuff from our engineered exhibit. And in our engineered exhibit, you'll get a chance to put things together. Now, have you ever built a bridge before?
No.
You've never built a bridge. How would you like to build a bridge?
Be great.
We have several computers for building bridges, and we have one of them right up here. Who's going to go first?
Me.
You're going to go first? All right, have a seat. All right. This is our computer program, and it's for designing bridges. Now, go ahead and hit this button right here. Go ahead and push the button. Move the pointer to where it says change girders. There you go. Hit the button. All right. Now we can select a girder to change. So click on one of the girders. There's a good one. Now click and change the size. There you go. All right. That'll be different. Now hit done. Excellent. All right. Now we want to check the safety of the bridge. So push the button. Arrow goes across the bridge. That should drive bus, and let's see if it makes it across. Okay, here comes the bus. It's halfway across the bridge, and the bus wasn't quite making it across. Looks like it's back to the drawing board for you. We just finished making a bridge. The next thing I want to show you, I think you're going to get a real charge out of it. I mean, a real charge. And it's going to be up to you. You're the one who's going to do it. Here it is right here. This is the Van de Graaff generator, and it generates static electricity. Now, let's see. It's your turn to go next, so why don't you stand up here on this platform and have you stand right there. Now, Akio, what I want you to do is I want you to put your hand on top of the ball just like that. All right, now, Jake, what you're going to do is you're going to turn the crank. Now, Akio, put your feet together. There you go, just like that. All right, now this machine produces static electricity, but you need to turn the crank. So take the handle, Jake, and turn the handle. Okay, turn it the other direction. Turn the other direction. There you go. Now go fast. Really, really fast. Okay, now Akio, can you feel anything? Nothing at all? All right, we're going to try something here. And there we go. Did you feel something that time? Yes, what did you feel?
I felt a shock.
You felt a shock. That was some electricity that was on your body, and it jumped to my finger. You want to do it again?
No.
No. Jake, why don't you get up here? Yes, Jake, why don't you get on here? It's your turn. All right, Akio. Okay, put your hand on top of there. Quickly, there you go. All right, Akio, go ahead and turn the crank. Akio is getting his revenge now. All right, we can see the wheel is spinning here, and we have a lot of things going on there. That was great. You want to see something else now?
Yeah.
Yes, I thought so. All right, the next place we're going to go to is over here. Follow me. All right, here's something I think you're really going to enjoy. Take a look at this. Ants. But these aren't just ordinary ants. These are giant ants. And you know how these ants are different?
They're robotic ants.
They're robotic ants, absolutely. Now, we can take a look and see how these robotic ants really work. Would you like to see that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go over this way and let's take a look at some robots, just like these are robots. Over here.
Okay.
Now, here you can see the panel. And here we have a knob, and this knob controls the robot right there. Take a look at the robot, and you can see the legs on there. How many legs does the robot have?
6.
That's 6 legs, and you can make those legs move by using this knob. Go ahead and take this knob and push it forward, and let's see if it makes a change. Okay, move it to one side. It moved 2 more legs. Move it again. Now it made the other legs move. If you move this in a circle, you can actually make a robot walk across the floor. Go ahead and try to make him walk. Okay, can you make him back up? Excellent. All right, go ahead and stop. That was great. My goodness, look at the time. I've got to go. I've got another tour I have to do. You guys have a good time today?
Yeah.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Did you have a good time?
Oh, yeah.
Excellent, excellent. Well, I've got to go. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Stefan. I'm Carol Henson reporting live from OMSI. We had a great time.
Good, I'm glad. I got to go. I'm gonna